strong.
You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Pankh with Tarkeswar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Good morning dear students. In our today's video, we are going to know about one Indian state, Maharashtra. So be ready and now know about this Indian state, Maharashtra. If you have not watched about West Bengal, Uttarakhand and Punjab, then watch these videos also related to these states, because these videos are also very powerful for your knowledge booster. So boost your knowledge with these videos. In our today's video, we will discuss about Maharashtra and we will know the complete GK of Maharashtra. So be with Primary K Pankh and watch the complete knowledge of Maharashtra. Now I am going to show you the Indian state Maharashtra in the map of India. So look this map and try to find where is Maharashtra. Tell me, where is Maharashtra? Very good. Maharashtra has been indicated with the yellow arrow. So look the map of Maharashtra with the help of this yellow arrow, and after that observe the neighboring states of Maharashtra. Have you looked Maharashtra and the neighboring states of Maharashtra? Yes, very good. It is pointing towards the yellow arrow. Very good. Now we will know about this state. So look carefully and know about the whole knowledge related to Maharashtra. And we will also know about some tourist places of Maharashtra in this video. Maharashtra is situated in the western peninsular region of India. If you look in the map of India, then you will find Maharashtra in the western peninsular region. You can also look the map of Maharashtra here and you can find different districts of Maharashtra in this map. The formation date of Maharashtra is 1 May 1960. It means you can say Maharashtra was established on 1 May 1960. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. And winter capital of Maharashtra is Nagpur. So you can say Nagpur is the winter capital of Maharashtra and Mumbai is also the capital of Maharashtra. There are total 36 districts in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra has total 36 districts. Now know the next knowledge related to Maharashtra, and the next knowledge is Governor and Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So we will know who was the first governor of Maharashtra and who is the present governor of Maharashtra. We will also know who was the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra and who is the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So look carefully and know the first governor of Maharashtra was Raja Sir Maharaj Singh. Raja Sir Maharaj Singh was the first governor of Maharashtra after independence. And the present governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the present governor of Maharashtra. The first chief minister of Maharashtra was Yashwant Rao Chavan. Yashwant Rao Chavan was the first chief minister of Maharashtra, and the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray is the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra. One Deputy Chief Minister is also in Maharashtra, and the name of the Deputy Chief Minister is Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar is the present Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. After this, now we will know about some other important knowledge related to Maharashtra, and you will know about legislature of Maharashtra in this session. So legislature of Maharashtra is bicameral. Bicameral legislature is in Maharashtra. So there are total 288 seats in State Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra, and there are 78 seats in State Legislative Council of Maharashtra. There are 19 seats in Maharashtra in Rajya Sabha, and there are total 48 seats in Lok Sabha in Maharashtra. If you will talk about the area of Maharashtra, then the area of Maharashtra is 3,07,713 km square. It means the area of Maharashtra is 3,07,713 square kilometer, and the density of Maharashtra is 410 persons per kilometer square. 410 persons per kilometer square is the density of Maharashtra. So these are some special knowledge of Maharashtra. After that, we will know about literacy rate of Maharashtra and different state symbols of Maharashtra. The literacy rate of Maharashtra is 82.34%. 82.34% is the literacy rate of Maharashtra, and there are 929 women on 1000 men. It means the sex ratio of Maharashtra is 929 ratio 1000, or you can say 929 upon 1000. It means 929 women on 1000 men is the sex ratio of Maharashtra. Now we'll know about state song, state language, state mammal, state bird, and state flower, state tree of Maharashtra. So let's start and know about the state song of Maharashtra. The state song of Maharashtra is Jai Jai Maharashtra Maza. Jai Jai Maharashtra Maza is the state song of Maharashtra, and the writer of this state song is Raja Badhe. Raja Badhe is the writer of this state song. State language of Maharashtra is Marathi. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. State mammal of Maharashtra is Indian giant squirrel. Indian giant squirrel is the state mammal of Maharashtra, and you can look the picture of Indian giant squirrel in the top of this slide. After that, we will know about the state bird. The state bird of Maharashtra is yellow-footed green pigeon. Yellow-footed green pigeon is the state bird of Maharashtra, and the state flower of Maharashtra is Jarul. Jarul is the state flower of Maharashtra, and the state tree of Maharashtra is mango. Mango is the state tree of Maharashtra. So we have known about different state symbols of Maharashtra. Once again, I am going to repeat these state symbols of Maharashtra. These symbols are state song Jai Jai Maharashtra Maza, state language Marathi, state mammal Indian giant squirrel, state bird yellow-footed green pigeon, state flower Jarul, and state tree mango. After knowing about different state symbols of Maharashtra, now we are going to know about border of Maharashtra. It is also very important to know about the border of Maharashtra. In the east side of Maharashtra, there is Chhattisgarh. In the west side of Maharashtra, there is Arabian Sea. In the north side of Maharashtra, there are Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, and in the south side of Maharashtra, there are Karnataka and Goa. So this is the border of Maharashtra Once again, I am going to tell about the border of Maharashtra. In the east side, Chhattisgarh is situated. In the west side, Arabian Sea. In the north side, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. And in the south side, Karnataka and Goa. Maharashtra is the third largest state by area in India. So, Maharashtra is known as third larger state in area in India. So, these are border of Maharashtra, and after knowing about border of Maharashtra, now we will know about airports of Maharashtra. There are total 3 international airports in Maharashtra, and these are Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport, Nagpur, and Pune Airport, Lohgaon, Pune. Once again, no, there are total 3 international airports in Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is situated in Mumbai. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport situated in Nagpur. Pune Airport situated in Lohgaon, Pune. So these are the knowledge about International Airport of Maharashtra, and after knowing about International Airport of Maharashtra, now we are going to know about some tourist places of Maharashtra, and these tourist places are very attractive. So know about these all tourist places of Maharashtra. Number 1, Ajanta, Ellora and Elephanta Caves. Ajanta, Ellora and Elephanta Caves are very attractive tourist place of Maharashtra. Pune is known as the Oxford of the East. Pune is known as the Oxford of the East. It is famous for its education. Nasik is known as wine capital of India. Nasik of Maharashtra is known as wine capital of India. Mumbai is known as India's financial and commercial hub. Mumbai is India's financial and commercial hub. Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is a hill station, and it is also an attraction for tourists. Lavasa is India's newest hill station. Shirdi is also famous, and it is known as the home of great saint Sai Baba. So Shirdi is also a tourist place. After that, Tadoba National Park. Tadoba National Park is known for tiger reserve. Bhima Shankar, a popular temple town, it is known as Bhima Shankar. So Bhima Shankar is a popular temple town. After that, Nagpur. Nagpur is the winter capital of Maharashtra, as we have known in this video. Nagpur is the winter capital of Maharashtra. So these are some tourist places of Maharashtra, and there are many tourist places in Maharashtra. It is known as Bollywood of India. Mumbai is known as Bollywood of India. So as you have already known, Mumbai is also known as India's financial and commercial hub. It is also known as Bollywood. So we have known about different concepts and different knowledge related to Maharashtra, and I think you have understood these all concepts related to Maharashtra. We will meet again in the next new video. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.